$1,000,000 chicken casserole is an easy, creamy, and comforting meal that's topped with buttery Ritz cracker crumbs. It's the perfect dinner casserole for busy weeknights. Here is the recipe for $1,000,000 chicken casserole. Ingredients needed to prepare $1,000,000 chicken casserole: 4 ounces cream cheese, softened, 1/2 cup sour cream, 1 can 10 to 1/2 ounces condensed cream of chicken soup, undiluted, 1/2 teaspoon onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 4 cups shredded cooked chicken, 1 cup to % cottage cheese, 25 Ritz crackers, crushed, 3 tablespoons butter, melted, 2 green onions, chopped. How to prepare $1,000,000 chicken. 1. Preheat oven to 350. 2. In a large bowl, beat cream cheese and sour cream until smooth. 3. Heat in soup, onion powder, and garlic powder. 4. Stir in chicken and cottage cheese. 5. Transfer to a greased 9-inch square baking dish. 6. Combine crackers and butter. Sprinkle over casserole. 7. Bake and covered until heated through 25 to 30 minutes. 8. Sprinkle with green onions. This recipe serves 8 people and takes about 30 minutes to prepare. Enjoy your homemade $1,000,000 chicken.